Have you ever wondered why truth is so powerful and yet so difficult to uphold? Let's delve into Jordan Peterson's 8th rule for life. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. It's a deceptively simple rule, yet it holds profound implications. Honesty, in its raw and unfiltered form, not only shapes our decisions but also the relationships we nurture. It's a beacon that guides us through the foggy paths of life. Indeed, truth is a force of nature, but let us explore how it can be applied in real-life situations. In the hustle and bustle of New York City, a taxi driver named John found himself in an unexpected situation. One day as he was cleaning out his cab after a long shift, he discovered a bag left behind by a passenger. Inside, he found an astonishing amount of money, enough to solve many of his financial problems. John was at a crossroads. He could quietly pocket the money with no one being the wiser, or he could take the high road and do everything in his power to return the lost fortune. After a moment of intense consideration, John decided to adhere to a simple yet profound rule. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie. He chose honesty over deceit, integrity over temptation. He traced back his steps, found the rightful owner, and returned the money. The choice wasn't easy, but it was honest. It was John's truth. John's story is a testament to the power of truth. A simple taxi driver, he found a briefcase filled with cash in the backseat of his cab. Despite his financial struggles, John chose to return the money. This choice, this act of honesty, exemplifies Peterson's 8th rule. It underscores the importance of truthfulness, not just to ourselves but to those around us. In the end, truth is about integrity. It's about being true to ourselves and to others. It's a principle, a rule to live by, just like Jordan Peterson's 8th rule. Tell the truth, or at least don't lie.